Serving up a pack. Serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared of rap. Ay. Funny how they shook. Ay. Got these niggas shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself. Take a look. Ay. I'm a bar spitter. I'm a hard. Alright, in this bowl I have jalapeno, red peppers, garlic, onion, and cilantro. This is for rice. Alright, so I toasted up my rice for about 3 minutes in some butter. Then I'm going to add the mixture down in there. And a Bouillon cube from Mac. And then you're going to take your chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever you want to use. This smells so good and it's so pretty. So now all you're going to do is cover it and let it cook. Alright, so this is going inside of a 400-degree oven while I shower and change. By the time I get out, getting dressed, it should be done. This is probably going to take an hour. Simple salad, spinach, green leaf lettuce, and cucumbers. No point in cooking more vegetables on top of all that food.